Install the HP Deskjet F4288 series driver using Windows. Let's get started. Let's first check your computer's operating system version. Click the folder. Then right-click this PC and select Properties. This is the version of the operating system you are installing. Second, disconnect your printer's USB cable from the computer. Download the printer driver from the official site or from the video description below according to your operating system version. Next, we double-tap the driver icon. We wait a moment. Click Install. We wait a moment. Click Next. Accept the agreement arrangement. Then click Next. We wait a moment. Now connect the printer's USB cable to the computer, and make sure the printer is turned on. This installer will detect the printer automatically as soon as you connect it. If not, you have the option to connect your printer later. Click Next. We wait a moment. And finish. Then we check by clicking Windows, then Settings, and select Device. In it we select Printers Amp, Scanners. There you can see the HP Deskjet F4288 installed. When you connect the printer it will detect it automatically and then follow further instructions on screen. Please like, share and subscribe to YouTube's free printer support channel.